Alright, what's up guys, Trevor Kicks here, back at y'all with another video. And in this video, I will be restoring the Sport Blue 6s. Alright, so what I will be doing is giving the whole shoe a full restoration, because they are beat. And right here, as you can see, it is separating also in the back and over here on the side. Also on the other shoe is also separating, but not too much. And what I would be doing is just icing out the soles, painting the whole uppers, and yeah, just a full restoration. Alright, so as you can see here, I am icing out the soles. I am doing this for two reasons. One is because they're obviously yellow. The other reason is to separate the soles from the midsoles, because they're already separating, so why not? And just so you guys know, it is 95 degrees out here, so if you want to ice out your soles, do not do it from like 80 degrees and up, because you are risking the shoes from separating. So yeah. Alright, so now for this next step, what I'll be doing is removing the old glue from the soles and the midsoles. And to do this, I will be using a Dremel, a heat gun, some cotton balls, and acetone. Let me smoke up in the Uber. Alright, so as you can see right here, on the soles, on the icy part of the soles, it is like really dirty. There is like dirt and grime and whatnot on the soles, and to remove that, I'll be using a Dremel. Rounding up them bitches like a Mino. Took this flow from Travis, I know he know. I got a brand new skin for kicking up out of bed. When she coming in the crib, they sucking on no dick. I'ma put her in a Uber and put her on that trip. Then halfway through the ride, I'm canceling that shit, yeah. Halfway through the ride, I'm canceling that shit, yeah. Shit, you the shit with the college channelers. Y'all singing that nigga. Alright, so as you can see here, let me focus. Let me see. There we go. The soles they look cleaner. They don't have that nasty dirt and stuff that was on there. As you can see, the Dremel really removed it. So yeah. Alright, so for the midsoles, I'm gonna be taping up the parts where I don't want the acetone to go on and the heat gun, and yeah, just to play it safe. I'm a fly nigga, ain't no Robin jeans on my waist. Yeah, pussy boy, slide that smile clean off the face. You don't know no trap niggas, you don't be around this way. You saw at the nigga, why I used to see you on the screen. Now I scream, all that Uber whip around the way. Uber everywhere. Alright, so now what I will be doing is prepping the uppers and the midsoles by acetoning them with cotton balls and acetone or nail polish remover. So when I go on with the paint, it will stick good to the uppers and midsoles. So I'm gonna do that to both shoes, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, we have a box in front of us. I did just get this today, and yeah, so I will be unboxing it right now. And what I will be using to unbox it would just be this whisk, or whatever you want to call it, which you use to make pancakes and whatnot. Alright, so I'm gonna be trying to open the box with the whisk. I'm gonna call it whisk because I couldn't find a knife, so I'm gonna use this and my bare hands. As you can see, it's not really working too much, but I did manage to open it with my hands, my fingers. And yeah. Alright, so I've unboxed it already. It comes with wrapping paper. It looks like cardboard wrapping paper, I don't know what it is. And yeah, there it is, the glue. Now I gotta open this, and the inside is just a little thing. And yeah, so now I'm gonna try to open the wrapping. I don't know what's it called. And as you can see, I just really opened it with my hands. I didn't really need the whisk at all for this. But yeah, look, as you can see, we got Barge Super Stick Cement, and this is what I'll be using to, re-glue my shoes and stuff. So yeah, just a 1 gallon. Alright, so for this next step, what I'll be doing is I'm gluing this separation right here on the midsole and uppers, and what I'll be doing is applying glue, letting it dry, and heating it up with the heat gun.
I'm not Tim,
you're that ABC fellow.
I'm not Jin, I know what you're thinking, but we're not kin. No relation at all. I'm not him, I'm not him, I'm not him, I'm not him, I'm not him. Yo Tim, I've been thinking, I mean, it's not that bad we get mistaken for each other. I mean, we both cute, bro, it's all good.
Alright, so now what I will be doing is start putting the glue on the soles and the midsoles, and I'll be just adding 1 coat on the sole and 1 coat on the midsole, and then just letting it dry and heating it up with heat.
Dog Jack King shit.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm gonna add some white to some glue. So when I apply the glue to the icy soles can look white and milky again. And then finally, I'm gonna be attaching the soles to the midsoles. So let's get. Alright, now all we gotta do is paint the shoes.
Oh shit.